to save Instagram draft reel to gallery. Instagram finally has a built-in method to directly save a reel draft to your phone gallery. So here is how to do so. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside the Instagram, tap on the profile icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once in your profile section, all you have to do is tap on the reel icon available. There, you can see reel section available. Now they tap on the drafts. I only have one draft available here. So let me simply tap on the draft first of all. So you can review the draft if you want to. You can simply tap on the preview option available at the top and you can review it. And once you have reviewed the draft, all you have to do is go back to the editing section in your Instagram reel. Tap on the edit at the top right. Then all you have to do is swipe the options or effects available there, and there you can see download icon available. Simply tap on it and save it to your gallery. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on the photos gallery option available there and check if it is there or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.